ma'am. Can I know your name?
I'm Sonam Gupta.
Okay, so what your business is about?
So basically it is an OS for designers. So everything from learning to mentorship to getting feedback to getting jobs, creating portfolios, everything on one platform.
How you get the idea of this business?
So I've been into design since last 12 years, more than 10 years, and I understand what designers really go through. Their pain points, their problems. There is no structure to it in our world right now. So I went to the UK 2 years back. I studied there. I understood like what should design be looking at, and from there I got this idea that maybe I should create a platform where it is easy for them.
So in this 10 years of your business and your journey, as you mentioned, you have been in this from like past 12 years.
Yeah.
So in this 10 years of your journey, as you mentioned, you have been working for like 12 years for this business. What were the things you learned, and what is the best thing you learned from it?
So from 10 years, I've understood that the industry keeps changing and you have to kind of update yourself every moment. And that part is something that I really like because you never get bored. Like you're always learning, you're always growing. There's always something new that has come up in the industry. So I think that really helps us to keep us motivated and keep going. So yeah, that's the one thing.
One message to the upcoming generation of entrepreneurs.
Join Design Ethos, learn everything, learn and then get the right mentorship, understand the structure, get the right jobs. Yeah, I mean that's it.
And can you help to the new upcoming entrepreneurs about the mixed emotion like failure, success, about
that's
everything?
crazy. That's crazy. That's paining right now because that is one thing that we go through a lot as as founders, because one moment you really think that you have put everything on the risk, and one moment you're like I'm going to do it. There's a whole motivation and you work for 12 hours straight. So of course there's a mix of emotions, but I think events like these plus like the kind of feedback that I'm getting, I think this is worth it, like all the emotions.
What do you think that if entrepreneurs should be risk taking, and do you have any opinion on this?
Of course, entrepreneurship is risk taking. It's not a job. So you're risking everything, your time, your skills, and probably the money. But I think it is worth it once you start making up money because you've grown something of your own. I think that will matter to me the most. That's what I'm looking forward to.
Okay, so what if your business become unicorn next day? What would the
my
first thing
God.
you are going to contribute to this country?
I mean, my main contribution is already happening through the app itself because I'm training the newbies, the new Gen Zs. So I think that is the main thing that I really want because I've been into the industry for more than 10 years. I think the right way is not there. I want to contribute to that, creating the right structure and getting the students to the right places where they deserve to be, because there's so much of talent but very less of kind of I would say the results. So I think the contribution is ongoing. It started from the day one when I thought of the app. So let's see.
Okay, so the last message to our budding entrepreneurs you have to give?
I think go completely right into it. Take all the risk. Go mad. Yeah, do well.
There's the perfect.
Thanks.